And one of the main reasons why I started building in public anyways is because I wanted to show people like yourself that have no technological background, no experience with connecting repositories and building landing pages and connecting backends, that you could do this too. So 3 days ago, I got an email, and this email came from ideabrowser.com. This is a startup that basically just lays it out for ideas. And I got this amazing revelation for an idea for an app called easyflip.ai. So I have spent the last few days executing and building. Today is day 3 officially, and it's amazing to me that within 48 hours that you can execute an idea and make it come to life. So you're probably wondering, where in the heck am I? I am in our warehouse. This is where we sell pre-owned and new with tags clothing on a live selling app called Whatnot. I have another YouTube channel, 17,000 subscribers. We have an email list of 3,000 people, and I'm already in this niche. So I really wanted to start building out this idea because I'm already in the niche. It's already got validation, and I just wanted to share with you the journey. So we're going to be documenting the process. Today's reflection of what we got done, and you could refer back to day 2, is that we were able to successfully connect our Go High level Google authentication, all the back-end stuff to our landing page. So now we can start collecting emails. The product is nowhere finished at all, but so far we have the idea out, and we're going to start collecting emails for people to join the wait list. So I'm aiming for 50 signups today. We'll see how it goes. Let's hop into the computer and kind of take it step by step. All right, so here's the product that we've built in less than 48 hours from idea to manifestation. So we have this working landing page built in with Google authentication. They can also sign up with their email if they don't have a Gmail account, which is pretty rare these days, but you might be surprised. So this is what we're shipping right here. Obviously, the product is not finished, but we have a front end connected with a email capture back end. So we're going to be able to start capturing leads. How long is it going to take me to build this thing out? I have no idea. You're going to want to subscribe and follow along for the journey because we're going to be tracking every single day that I work on this project. The whole reason why is because I just want to help motivate you to help bring those ideas that you have into action, into fruition, because today is the best day to be alive, to build that idea, to start it, and you don't feel like you need a ton of experience to get this thing built. So, yeah, so really cool. Got this all built out with Bolt.new, and this is the product we are going to be advertising today, creating some marketing, Instagram shorts. I'm going to email the subscriber list. I have a school community of 1,400 people. We have a YouTube channel of nearly 17,000 people. So I'm going to be tracking that along the way. But I wanted just to keep you guys an update. Yesterday was filled with tons of problem solving and troubleshooting through GitHub and Netlify and all these other things that were just keeping my mind spinning. My mind was broken for sure, but I woke up this morning and everything just seemed to work flawlessly. So that was really cool. Connecting the Go High level API, the pipeline ID, the stage ID, so it tags and tracks the emails that come in and where they come from. It's just amazing. It's definitely like a dopamine rush when things just work, right? I want to talk a little bit on how we got here exactly and how this idea came to pass. So a few months ago, I had joined the Startup Empire, which is from the Startup Ideas podcast hosted by Greg Eisenberg. It's basically where a bunch of people come together and formulate ideas and help them come to pass. So this had always intrigued me. And one that had really resonated with me recently was this idea I had came up on the idea browser, was an app that automatically sells your used stuff online. That already is in my niche. It's a niche that I've been in for the last 4.5 years. We come from selling on eBay. Now we do live selling. So I know the pain points. I know the problems. I know kind of just a lot of what the avatar looks like, how I can validate this idea. So immediately I was intrigued, And we started building just within 48 hours ago, guys. We took this idea from scratch. And what I like here on the idea browser, I have the paid plan. You just go to the idea builder and it helps you walk you through all of the steps: your ad creatives, your landing page, your brand packaging, content calendar, funnel system. Like, I could go on. It comes with so many packed features that can give you a lot more clarity and confidence when you're building this project out. So basically we took that, and we started with our landing page first because we wanted to build that out. We wanted to build the front end out first because we wanted to be able to immediately capture emails into a wait list. So we basically took this prompt that automatically gets built out and we put it into Bolt. We've been using Bolt.new for everything, and that was the seed that grew into the plant, right? That was it. Bolt.new has been very helpful for helping this idea come to pass, helping visualize it, chatting back and forth with it, problem solving. There has been many errors if you follow along the journey so far, but it's been really cool to see this come to pass, and it's been awesome. Has it been easy? Absolutely not. It's definitely been more tiring on my brain to figure all these problems out and connecting all the back end, but it did eventually pop out a website here, full landing page with the Google authentication and also integrated with Go High Level, which is really cool. So, very basic landing page. Obviously, we can improve, but I just wanted something that can convey the message and solve the problem, which people don't have a lot of time. They don't have a lot of resources. And what Easy Flip does is basically allows you to take a photo or photos of items around your house, and it automatically distributes them to marketplaces, as well as a bot that responds to buyer questions. So basically the user is only working to take photos and then ship the item when it sells. So I wanted to call it easyflip.ai because I want it to be easy to use. And that's going to be the app, the initial mobile app that we work with. But then we're also going to be building out the desktop web app that's also going to allow you to cross-list from your desktop as well. So it's going to be for beginner resellers. It's going to be for people that are one-off resellers. And then it's going to be for people that are long-term resellers that want something easy to use that they can already integrate into their workflow. So you can see here, from zero to landing page with full front end and back end within 48 hours. That is so cool in today's age. I don't know anything 5 days ago about GitHub or, setting up repositories or anything like that. And now, fast forward